Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by importing both your main clip and the overlay clip into the project bin, because matching frame rate and resolution avoids scaling jitter. Place the main clip on track 1 at the intended start point and put the overlay on track 2 above it. Snapping on makes alignment faster. Once done, trim the overlay to the rough in slash out you need so you're working with a concise clip. Make sure clips are labeled and organized to prevent confusion as you proceed. Next, you open the transform or effects controls for the overlay clip to scale and position it. This is where you set the picture-in-picture size so it doesn't block important content. Maintain aspect ratio to avoid distortion, then drag it to a corner or desired location and adjust the anchor point if you will rotate or animate it. Add a crop or mask to remove unwanted edges and feather the mask slightly, 3 to 8 pixels, so the overlay blends naturally without harsh borders. Finally, animate the overlay with keyframes for scale or position so it can smoothly enter and exit. Apply ease in and ease out to make motion feel natural. Add a subtle border or drop shadow to improve visibility against complex backgrounds, and set audio ducking if the overlay contains speech so you keep clarity. Render a short preview at full quality to confirm timing and masking. If you see artifacts, recheck clip scale and make sure GPU acceleration and timeline resolution match to avoid glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.